Greetings everyone and welcome to question number 7 of YÖS examination geometry section. In this question we have, as you can see, two triangles. We have angle BAN which is equal to NAC, so this angle is equal to this angle. We have AB which is equal to 8, AC which is equal to 10, and BC which is equal to 12. And we have AN which is equal to X, and what is the value of X? So here we have a bisector. What does a bisector mean? It means the line segment which cuts this angle into two equal parts by joining the vertex on the opposite of the angle. Now, when we have these situations, what does that mean? We have to apply a special rule. What is that rule? It means that this side over this side is equal to this side over this side, and when we want to find the value of x squared is equal to this side times this side minus this side times this side. Now that we know the rules, we can just apply them. But first, we see that we don't have the value of Bn and AC. What do we have here? So instead I will write A because I don't know the side. What will be the value of NC? It will be 12 minus A. So by applying this rule that 8 over 10 is equal to A over 12 minus A, I will find the value of A. So I will find the value of each side. So let's do that. We have 8 over 10 which is equal to A over A minus 12. So we cross multiply. We have 10A which is equal to, in this case it's going to be 12 minus A. So we have 12 minus A. So we have 96 minus 8A, so we have 18A which is equal to 96. A is equal to 96 over 18. We divide the numerator and denominator by 6, so we have 16 over 3. So the value of A is 16 over 3. So this side is equal to 16 over 3, and this side will be equal to 12 minus 16 over 3, which is 3 times 12 is 36, minus 16 is 20 over 3. So this side is equal to 20 over 3. Now let's apply the second rule, which is x squared is equal to 8 times 10 minus 16 over 3 times 20 over 3. So x squared is equal to 80 minus 320 over 9. So 9 times 8 is 72, so it's 720. So we have 720 minus 320 over 9. So x squared is equal to 400 over 9. So we have x which is equal to square root of 400 over 9. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 20 over 3. Greetings everyone and welcome to question number 8. In this question we have, as you can see, we have a triangle and we have certain information. Those information tell us that ABC is angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees, AE is equal to EC, so AE is equal to EC, BD is equal to CD, and we have GE which is equal to 8, and we are as the value of AC. In other words, we are as the value of the hypotenuse of this triangle. Now, what can we see here? What is the situation over here? We can see that BE separates or divides this side, the side AC, into two equal parts. Moreover, we see that AD, so the side AD divides the side BC into two equal parts as well. So what does that mean? There is a special rule we have to apply. What is that rule? We see that BG, the rule is that BG is equal to GE, so GE times 2. So this side is twice this side. What was the value of this side? It was 8. So the value of BG is equal to 8 times 2, which is equal to 16. Now that we know that this is 16, what is the value of AC? The value, the second rule is that the value of AC is equal to BG, actually BG is equal to, in this case it's BE, pardon me. So BE is equal to AC over 2. So this is the second rule that we have to apply here. So don't forget BE, which now we know its length, it's equal to AC over 2. So here we have BE, which is equal to 16 plus 8, it's 24, which is equal to AC over 2. So AC is equal to 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 2, it's 4, so it's equal to 48. Greetings everyone and welcome to question number 9. In this question, as you can see, we have a triangle which is divided into two triangles, two right triangles, because we can see that the information tells us that angle ADC is equal to 90 degrees. We have AC which is equal to 8, we have AB which is equal to 4, BC which is equal to 10, so the whole side is equal to 10, and we have BD which is equal to x. Now, the first step that we have to do is to find the length of DC. What will be the length of DC? It will be 10 minus x. Now, since we are dealing here with two right triangles, we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem. What does that theorem tell us? That the hypotenuse, which is in this case 4 square, is equal to x squared. Since these two triangles share the same side, I'm going to name it A. So it's going to be x squared plus a squared. So 4 squared minus x squared is equal to a squared. Now let's look at the second right triangle. We have the hypotenuse, which is a squared, and that is equal to a squared plus 10 minus x squared. Now that means that we have 8 squared minus 10 minus x squared, and that is equal to a squared. So as you can see, we have 8 squared and 8 squared, so it means that this is equal to this. By doing so, by equalizing these two because they are equal to each other, we will be able to find the value of x. So let's do that. We have 4 squared minus x squared, which is equal to 8 squared minus 10 minus x squared. So we have 16 minus x squared, which is equal to 64 minus, we have 10 squared is 100 minus 2 times the first number times the second number, which is 20x plus x squared. So what do we have here? We have 16 minus x squared, which is equal to 64 minus 100 plus 20x minus x squared. So x squared and x squared cancel each other. So we have here 20x, which is equal to 16 minus 64 plus 100. So 20x is equal to minus 48 plus 100, minus 48 plus 100, and that will be 20x equal to, in this case we have 52, so we have 52, and in this case x is going to be equal to 52 over 20, so x is equal to, if we divide this by 2, we have 26 over 10, so 13 over 5. So the value of x is equal to 13 over 5.